We just came from the supermarket with Matthew. This is our Sunday routine. As you guys know, I don't have a car, so when my daughter is off from work, I have to take advantage of the car, and we get up early. We usually go to Home Depot, run all the errands. I apologize, the machine is running upstairs. It's Sunday, so we are doing laundry. And I wanted to share with you this grocery haul, so I'm gonna turn you around for this part of the video and talk to you about a little bit of the stuff I got. I spent about $300 roughly. That included the sushi for me and Matthew because we are both hungry. And let me share with you what we'll be eating this week, as well as what I'm gonna be planning for Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday, which I'm doing just hosting it, just my best friend, her kids, and Matthew and I. Nothing big. It's just basically a dinner, and we're more into the halftime than probably the game itself. Basically, we're more into the company than actually sitting down and watching the entire game, which we are gonna do, of course. We are gonna watch the game, but I do enjoy the company the most. So let me turn you around and let's see what I got. Most of these items are from Aldi's, and we spent it there $209, and I'm gonna include the clip here of the amount. But we did stop at ShopRite here in the northeast of the United States. We have ShopRite, which is a large supermarket chain, and I'm gonna start with the dairy first so I can put it away. But let me give you a quick look of everything that I got for this weekend. And hopefully you're getting the vibe of what we're gonna be eating a lot. But the ice cream is from ShopRite. When we were in Miami with Matthew visiting and my daughter, they have the best peanut butter chocolate, and we don't have it here. So the best thing we can pick up at the store is this Reese's ice cream. My favorite ice cream, chocolate chip, mint chocolate chip, and this is a new flavor that we are trying. My favorite ice cream, it's also butter pecan and pistachios. This is from ShopRite. Also from ShopRite, Aldi's carries this, but they don't have the same varieties of flavor. This one is kiwi strawberry, and as you know, I am trying to lose weight, and I like that it's only 5 calories. This one, oh my gosh, it's peach. Comment below if you like everything or anything peach. And this is orange and mango. Matthew also got some Gatorade. We got a Coke for the Super Bowl, a ton of eggs. So this and the ice cream is from ShopRite, as well as this pastry sheets, because I want to do something sweet for Valentine's Day for me and my daughter and my son. So we got this at ShopRite. We got this, and I also got some seasonings that I'm gonna share with you. I don't know where they are. Oh, here it is. I needed this for a recipe that I want to try, and also this. This too, I did not find it in Aldi, so I was glad I stopped there. So that's what we got in ShopRite, plus the sushi. And there we spent $100, but again, it's because of the sushi. So in terms of dairy, what I got from Aldi, it's sour cream. So for the Super Bowl, I am gonna have tacos. We love tacos. So it is easy. We could eat in bulks, and it's finger food. So we need this for the tacos. I like to make pizza. Well, this is also this is you know what, let me tell you a little bit about the Super Bowl. And I'm sorry, the machine is spinning, but for the Super Bowl, okay, this is finger foods with some crackers, but I also got fondue. So I make every weekend sourdough bread, and I thought it will be great if we have some fondue for the day of the Super Bowl. And I also have chips. I'm gonna try a new dip as well. So we got eggs, This is for the weekend. This is Matthew. Every time we go to Aldi, so any supermarket, that's Matthew's favorite chips. I like those chips. All right, you can see here what we got. Let me tell you real quickly. I'm planning to do a lot of baking. This Matthew loves this protein bars with my daughter. Cottage cheese, because I'm trying to be more aware of the amount of protein that I eat, as well as these kale burgers and artichoke dip. This is not going to be for the Super Bowl. This is going to be for me when I want something to snack on. Butter for baking. This I'm going to make another recipe, so I hope that you stick around. Matthew wanted a big one of this. I actually picked these bags to take to work for when I don't have enough time to cook. And plates, they didn't have white plates, they didn't have red or gold for the Super Bowl, so Matthew said, let's get green because the Super Bowl is going to be in Las Vegas. So we got some plates, and these are Matthew's favorite cookies, a treat for Matthew. So he got 2 treats, well, maybe 3. The ice cream, the sushi, the cookies, and the chips. All right, this I picked up. I have tried the tomato Parmesan biscuit from Aldi's soup, and I really like it. And I'm gonna be trying this week this soup. This is marinara sauce. This I love in my sandwiches. And I also picked up this orange sauce and teriyaki to season some chicken. And for the Super Bowl taco day, they had this cute little bottle, and every time we go to the supermarket, Matthew has to come out with hot sauce. Comment below if you love hot sauce. All right, this is what I'm going to do. This is all the veggies that I got. A lot of peppers, tomatoes, zucchini. Okay, I'm gonna try to make some zucchini bread this week. A ton of garlic. Some because I want to plant garlic, avocado, and lettuce. Again, this is going to be ripe by Sunday. I was happy that Aldi's had grapefruit. I picked up some mayo. Actually, this mayo, I picked it up from ShopRite. It was $2.99. And ton of bananas, cabbage. This I also picked up from ShopRite. Potatoes, mushrooms, green beans, sorry about the dogs are barking, and onions. Rosemary, I do have rosemary from my own garden that I dehydrated, but I want to make a garlic rosemary sourdough bread. Yum. I am also gonna be making a delicious, I know the Armenians, Uruguayans, and Argentinians, we eat this. It's, I'm not sure grapes, but it's basically you make homemade dough, like a pie dough, and you put spinach, onions, peppers, garlic, and you boil eggs. You season this really well, and you make like a sandwich. It's like a pizza, I will say, and it is so healthy. So I'm gonna make this with all this spinach. I'm also gonna add kale to the recipe, a ton of bananas. We got the toilet paper. I don't understand why we use so much toilet paper in this house. There's only 3 people in my home. Me and my 2 kiddos, my 2 children. But anyways, toilet paper and paper towels. And one more thing that I like to show you that I love is this water. I love this Italian sparkling water, and I like to treat myself every once in a while. So this is the whole cottage cheese for protein, and I think I got everything. I share with you everything. Let me give you one more look, and I'm gonna start putting these things away. And milk. Oh, also, because I'm gonna start making my own yogurt. So this is why you see 2 different milks. Okay, I am trying to start eating a little bit more plant-based, high protein. I'm not gonna go vegan all the way, probably pescatarian. I did it before, I can do it again. I am not giving up cheese. I love cheese too much, not yet at least. Also, this is my favorite with a salad to take to work. This is prosciutto and speck Italiano, more for the Super Bowl. And this, again, for a quick salad to take to work, or even here for a quick dinner. So comment down below, what meal will you make with the items that you see here? What will you make? Give me an idea. You see the items here, and I'm curious to know, if I were to deliver all this to your house, what meal will you make? Let me know down below, and next time I'll try to make it and share it with you guys here on YouTube. I just want to share some wisdom with you and let you know that when you come to the supermarket, it's okay if you store your items like this. As long as it fits, my dear friend, you accomplish a task in your household. You went to the supermarket and you put it away. Have a beautiful week, my friend.